Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful blanket with new marshmallow border. First you need your selected yarn. I will use Alize Diva Baby, the link in the description box below. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 2.5mm, measuring tape, scissors, optional marker and yarn needle. Chain 4. Then in the next chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet stitches in the same space. Then chain 2. Repeat this in the next chain 2 space. Make 2 double crochet stitches. Then chain 2. Repeat this. To make the corner, work in the next side 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 2, then another 2 double crochet stitches, all in the same space. Then chain 2. Skip the next space and work the 2 double crochet stitches in the next row 3H space like this. Then chain 2. In the next row 3H space, make 2 double crochet stitches in the same space. Repeat this to finish this side. After you finish, make the next corner. Then chain 2, skip the next space and work in the next 4 double crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish the first row side by skip the next space and work in the next 4 double crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish. After you finish the third corner, chain 2 and repeat the opposite side by working the 2 double crochet stitches in the row number 3 each space like this. Repeat this to finish the last corner. To finish the last corner, work 2 double crochet stitches then chain 2, then work only 1 double crochet stitch and make 1 slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. To make the second edge round, chain 3, now work between the next 2 double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same space. Repeat this in the next 2 double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same space. Repeat this in the next 2 double crochet stitches. Repeat this to make the corner like this. And finish all 2 double crochet stitches. After you finish all 2 double crochet stitches, in the last double crochet stitch space, make only 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 2, in the third chain on the top, make 1 slip stitch, then chain 3, in the next double crochet stitch, make 1 front post double crochet stitch, then in the next chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet stitches, then chain 2, and another 3 double crochet stitches, then in the next double crochet stitch, make 1 front post double crochet stitch, repeat this to finish all stitches. This is the original marshmallow stitch. Repeat this in corner. Repeat this to finish this round. In the last, finish with 1 front post double crochet stitch in the last 3 chains, then make 1 slip stitch in the next front post double crochet stitch like this, then chain 1, pull the yarn to fasten off and weaving ends. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me big thumbs up. To see more videos, See you, bye bye.